Hello, tech lovers. Welcome to MSTFX. Today, we're introducing the 5 best foldable phones that are revolutionizing the mobile industry. Let's dive into the world of innovation and explore these top picks. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, where innovation meets style. With its iconic foldable design and powerful features, this smartphone proves that technology can be compact, sleek, and packed with the latest advancements. It's perfect for those who love to stand out. Here are some important features. You can use it from multiple angles. And the final trend-setting feature is that this is the first foldable phone to offer such advanced functionality with the power of 5G. It feels great to be first. Number 2, Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Next, meet the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, the perfect mobile for those on the go. This device blends nostalgia and modern innovation with its foldable design and cutting-edge features. The Razr 50 Ultra combines iconic style with functionality to make a bold statement. Here's the final look at the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. It comes with advanced AI Gemini features, HD photo capturing capabilities, and Gemini-powered voice control. You can even record voiceovers with high-quality audio. This phone truly delivers the perfect blend of style and tech. So, number 3, Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now let's dive into the Google Pixel 9 Pro, the ultimate smartphone for photography lovers. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and AI-driven features, the Pixel 9 Pro redefines what your photos can achieve. Yes, Google Pixel was definitely. Here's the final look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro. It offers top-tier photo editing and capturing capabilities, plus the Made You Look feature on the first-generation Pixel Fold includes fun animations to capture perfect moments. Pixel 9 Pro Fold users also get an exclusive treat. Joy from Disney's Inside Out adds extra smiles to your photos. They think the Pixel 9 Pro also includes live captioning that captures the emotion behind words, whether it's gasps, cheers, or excitement. Perfect for sports, texting, social media, and video messages. It combines sleek design, advanced performance, and a state-of-the-art camera system to deliver a smooth and fast enthusiasts. Pixel 9 Pro backs up all of the chatter, texting, and photo enthusiasts. Number 4, OnePlus Open Foldable Phone. Lastly, we have the OnePlus Open, the best foldable phone from OnePlus. This innovative device combines a stunning foldable design with powerful performance, featuring a vibrant AMOLED display, an advanced camera system, and a long-lasting battery. It's perfect for multitasking and capturing memories. Here's the final look at the OnePlus Open. With excellent video quality, multitasking windows, and a sophisticated AI system. It's compact, stylish, and perfect for tech enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing moments or managing tasks, the OnePlus Open delivers a seamless experience with elegance and functionality. It's funny. Thank you for watching MSTFX. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible foldable phones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.